What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology. Without further ado, let's get it started. We have a major downtrend and we have a minor uptrend. I go with sellers here because we have pretty strong sellers in the market, and we also have a retracement. This is the retracement with rejection from the upside. I love trading outside bars. This is an outside bar. Whenever you see, okay, the basically outside bar is okay. This is engulf, okay? But if this candle is so stronger than, and you know, it's less than 50% of this candle, we call that outside bar, and usually it has a retracement. Okay, so if you are in the direction of the minor uptrend, you could take this retracement candle as well, but 80% of the time it has a retracement. And again, you can go with sellers if we have major downtrend. That's exactly how I took this trade. I took double trade on this one because that's pretty cool. I go with buyers on this. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's another tip that you know, it's pretty cool, that whenever you have strong candle closing on the levels, okay, I go with buyers right here because it's gonna reject. Whenever you have a level and strong candle closing on the level without rejection, you can go you know, take your trade with the level. It means that if it's a support, you can go with buyers. If it's a resistance, you can go with sellers. Okay, let's see. This is again an outside bar, but this time price has bounced up from this level. So yeah, we see the nice rejections, but again, buyers might enter for the next candle. So you have to consider the levels when you're trading with these patterns, because you know, if I go with sellers here, this might not work because it bounced off on level, and this spinning candle on level is sign of reversal. So the buyers might enter. Okay. Yeah. Let's change the pairs. Okay. We had a level here. Okay. And the price, basically, it's in a downtrend, and we have this head and shoulder here, which is a sign of reversing the market. And also we have a level here, you know, we bounced up for 3 candles, we bounced up for 2 candles, and I think it's gonna break. We might bounce for 1 candle here to the upside, but I genuinely think that this will break to the downside. But if it gives me a nice entry, I could go with sellers here, but you know, we can have a buyer's entry for 1 week buyer's candle, but you know, as I said, this is gonna break. And we have this trend line which has been touched 3 times. Okay, the next level is down here. See how, you know, big are the shadows. This is sign of bad market. Look at this. There's, Jesus, bro. The price has touched this level and bounced back and closed up there. That's why I don't trust these kind of markets, because that's, unless you enter with marginal safety. Okay, I enter with marginal safety in these kind of trends. Okay, so if the price comes up there, I go with sellers. If it comes down, I go with buyers. Okay, with marginal safety. Okay, a little more up, little more. Okay, I go with sellers here. These markets are just crazy. Okay. The reason I did go with sellers here is because, as I told you before, we have an outside bar, we have the retracement, and we see the seller's pressure to the downside, but buyers are dominant here. But still, we have this strong trend line, and yeah, we took this trade with marginal safety, and that was a win. And that's how you should, you know, you have to see the situation, see the market status, market, how the market is behaving, and then take your trades based off that. When you see long shadows, it means that like 95% of the candle is gonna have shadows. Okay, so why not? You can wait a little bit and take your trades with shadows. I mean, with marginal safety, and increase the chance of winning. Okay, so this level is broken to the downside. Okay, I'm gonna just change this. Holy cow, look at this. We have a level. Okay, this level is pretty strong SNR and pretty much reacted every time. And yeah, it's getting rejected. If this candle closes right above this level, I can go with sellers. But for now, this is strong momentum. I cannot trust and go with sellers here, because it's in the middle of the trend and we still have a gap. Okay, it seems it's just gonna continue to the upside, so I'm not gonna take any trade here. If this one was closed here without rejection, I would go with sellers because it would bounce down. But here we have seller's rejection, and still this is in buyer's area. But okay, I could have been taken this trade, but that was risky because we have long rejection here, and these kind of rejections basically can go up with buyer's candle, so I don't trust these kind of markets. This is hella crazy momentum. So okay, we have this downtrend, and basically has a reaction to this line here. Okay, I can go with buyers here if it, oh, shit, come on, Jesus. Let's see if this candle comes up and closes here. I can go with sellers, but closes right here, I will go with buyers. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we also have this level. Don't reject, please. And this level. Okay, I go with sellers here. But this rejection here, it's gonna make us trouble. But this trade is basically a right trade. But if we hadn't this rejection, that would be perfect. But it's still no problem. Okay, the thing is, so many people just take trades, and you know, they basically have no plan in their minds, and that's wrong. That's what, you know, make a lot of trouble for them. But when you have scenarios in your brain, in your mind, that if this candle closes in the point A or closes in the point B, what you're gonna do, that would be a lot more easier to decision making. For example, you say that, okay, if this candle closes on point A, I will go with lower option. If this candle closes on point B, I will go with buyer option. If this candle closes on point C, I will do nothing. Okay, so in these kind of situations, you know what you're doing. Okay, just like here, I told you, if this candle closes right here, I will go with sellers, and if here, I'll go with buyers. And this depends on your strategy. Okay, so you have to consider your strategy, how your strategy works, and then create these plans. And if you look here, I told you in my live trades, in previous live trades, 1,000 times that this is one of my favorite strategies. Okay, whenever you have a momentum, minimum 2 candles, and then you have retracement, then again you have the buyers push to the upside and breaks this shadows. Okay, you can go against for 1 candle, and that would be perfect if this candle has no rejection. Okay, this is basically a short shot. And if you have this momentum and you have a retracement, and the next candle comes and closes right on this level, okay, it doesn't matter if there's rejection or not, you can go with buyers for 1 more candle considering the bigger trend. Okay, so here, if this one closed here, I could go with buyers here because we have bigger trend that it's uptrend. And yeah, that's it. And hope you enjoyed the live trades. If you did, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out my other live trades. And yeah, hope everything was clear. Thank you for watching. Peace out.